But this how the kites are looking, y'all. It is too freaking cute. That's Aiden. I like Adriel's. Hers is sweet and short and purple, my favorite color. Purple and pink. Hers like a little dragon. And that's cute. Audrey's got the unicorn sea lion. I don't know what that is. That's Audrey's. DJ's is a rocket.
American sun.
Yes.
Do you see the sun right there?
Yeah, it got American Eagle on there.
And the other one.
And this is Olivia's. Hers is so cute too. And I just love the colors on this horse. Forgot the name of this horse, but y'all comment down below. Let me know what the a unicorn horse with the wings. It's cute.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
There it
Feels
goes.
like I can fly. You can take me high.
This is peaceful, y'all. Being out here with the kids. It's almost dinner time. It's past dinner time. And they want to come out here, and the wind blowing so nice. Feels so good. I know I'm gonna pay for it afterwards, cause baby, my allergies gonna be acting up, but it feels so good outside. They go Aiden's. Came crashing down. Y'all got y'all tangled up. to go Aiden. He's a G. I spoke too soon. Last one to the car, riding next. I think Archie gonna be the riding next. Or would it be Aiden? Or would it be Adriel? Or would it be Olivia? Who's gonna be the riding egg? Not mommy. I'm slowly but surely heading to the car.